going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope everyone is having an amazing day, an amazing week. Most importantly, is that you're reaching for your fullest potential. And if you're not, then what are you doing, man? If you're new to the channel, my name is Chris, aka JB Analitico, and I'm all about motivation, inspiration, personal development, finances, all that stuff matched up together. So if that's you, I highly encourage you to go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. Leave me a comment, but go ahead and subscribe so that we can go ahead and grow together. It's a new year. 2023 is a new year, amazing potential for this year, and I'm super excited for everything that's to come. But like every year, we set out with intention, right? We create goals, we create resolutions, we have all these things that we want to accomplish. And a lot of times we start very strong, but we don't finish strong. So today I want to kind of like share a couple of points that I think can support whatever it is that you're trying to do, and hopefully it can add value to your life. So if you're about it, let's get it. So point number one for today, it's really simple, but it's something that prevents a lot of people from being able to kind of like start moving forward in the right direction. And that is the fact that nobody's coming. Like nobody's gonna come right now to help you. Nobody's gonna come to say, hey, here's $100,000 for you to start your business, or here's 10K for you to do whatever it is that you're trying to do, right? Nobody's coming. So the sooner you're able to kind of like realize that and accept that, the sooner that you're gonna be able to start being able to take action, you know, on your own, action on the things that you need to do to make sure that you start making progress and you start moving forward. And it's not just any action, right? It's taking massive action on the things that you need to do. Now, what's gonna happen is that as you start to take that consistent action towards the progression, towards the achievement of your goals and your resolutions and all that, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have people come into your circle that are gonna wanna support you. Right? But that's only going to happen when you realize and accept the fact that, hey, nobody's coming. This is my goal. This is my resolution. This is what I want to do. And I have to start taking action to make sure that I start moving forward in regards to that. And as you do that, you're gonna see progress. You're gonna see movement. You're gonna see a trajectory, right? And as you do that, along the way, certain people are going to come into your life that are going to be able to support that, and there are going to be at the same time there are going to be people that are going to come into your life that are going to be like, yo, what are you doing? But you have to make sure that you stay focused on what it is that you're trying to do. But the sooner you're able to understand and accept that nobody's going to like come to help you, the sooner that you're going to be able to take massive action on the things that you need to do to move forward. All right, so point number two today, it's one that's really simple, but it's super critical. And that is that once you accept the fact that, hey, nobody's coming to help me, nobody's gonna come and give me money or give me the support that I need to begin with, right? Then you have to make a decision to move forward. Because a lot of times we don't make the decision to move forward and we just kind of like stay in this limbo state where, yeah, I kind of want to do this, but I don't. And we never really decide or make the decision to say, you know what, I'm just going to push forward and I'm going to push ahead no matter what. So once you accept the fact that, hey, nobody's coming to help me, great, it's all good. I'm going to decide to keep moving forward. I'm going to decide to do the things that I need to do that are going to get me to where I want to be. And there's nothing that's going to stop me. So that's number two. And then last pointer for today is that you have to commit to your success, man. You have to commit to your success, to your development, to your own personal growth, and you have to make sure that you go all in on that, man. Because number one, nobody's coming. Number two, you got to make that decision on your own because nobody's going to be able to make that decision for you. And then number three, you just got to, man, commit to your success, commit to growing, commit to being a better person, a better human being, commit to being better at what it is that you do. You have to commit to your success. So that's pointer number three. And there you go, 3 pointers that I think can benefit anyone, regardless of what you're trying to achieve this year. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, a lot of times we start the year with a lot of intent, a lot of positive energy, but somewhere along the line, you know, life hits, boom, and then we get sidetracked. So I want to make sure that everybody's reaching for the fullest potential, and I think that these 3 pointers that I just mentioned can really support that. So the fact that once you accept like, hey, you know, this is my dream, right? Nobody's gonna come and help me, at least in the beginning. Nobody's gonna come and help me. Like, the sooner you're able to accept that, the faster that you're gonna be able to kind of like go ahead and start working on the things that you know you need to do to make sure that you can make progress. After that, you got to make a decision, man. Like, you have to decide. Like, you know nobody's coming. You got to decide, okay, these are the things that I need to do to make sure that I can move forward. And then point number three is like, man, you got to commit to your success, commit to your development, commit to your own personal development, commit to being the best version of yourself that you can be, because there's nothing else, man. Like, if you're not getting better every day, you're getting worse. And that's so true. So I hope that all of you out there are reaching for your full potential. If you made it to the end, again, thank you. Please make sure you subscribe. If anything of what I said today makes sense to you, please make sure you leave me a comment down below. Which part made sense, which part didn't make sense, leave me a comment down below regardless. And again, if you haven't subscribed, this is your first time here, just go ahead and subscribe. And with that, I would see you guys in the next one. You know it.